In an old and run-down part of town, where a cat named Geoffrey hangs around, there is a garden, overgrown, and 5 little Petals who call it home. Windy weather.
What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
Terrific. Boring.
Boring? Well, what's this? Hey, hey,
Wow! Look at that!
hey, hey, hey.
It's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've never seen anything like it.
You think that's good? Well, what's this? Oh,
Take cover!
why are you hiding? Whoa!
Are you all right, Jim?
All right. This is great.
I know something you don't know.
Whoa!
Wow, look at him spin.
Whoa! Ouch!
Ouch! Watch it, why don't you? All right, Cicada, what do you know that we don't know? Haven't you noticed the wind is picking up?
Now that you mention it, it is pretty windy.
And it's gonna get a whole lot worse. A big wind? You know what this means? It's time to batten down the hatches. Poppy, have you tied down your flower?
I will, just as soon as I catch my hat.
Well, hurry. We've got to tie down everything that could be blown away before the big wind gets here.
What? Bogey, isn't it your job to tie this down?
I'll do that as soon as I get everyone organised. Hurry, you three. We haven't got much time before the big wind comes.
Yeah. Who made you King Bossy Boots?
Me. Preparing for a big wind is a very responsible job. And I am the most responsible. Whoa! Ow!
Thank you, Bogey. You caught my hat.
And doesn't it look lovely?
It's time to take cover.
The wind sounds strong outside.
We'll be all right. Bogey tied down our shelter with some very strong rope. Didn't you, Bogey?
Uh-oh.
Let's get out of here!
We can't. We'll all be blown away.
Oh dear, company. And here's my hole in such a mess.
Your hole saved us from the big wind.
It couldn't have worked out any better.
Oh.
Oh no, our garden.
It's so messy.
At least our wheel's okay.
It's going to take us forever to clean this up.
Maybe it won't take us very long at all.
I like tidying up this way.
We'll have this mess cleaned up in half the time.
Yeah, Bogey, this is a great invention.
How would you know? All you've done so far is play on it.
Yeah, you should be helping, shouldn't you?
I am helping. I'm making sure this is strong enough for all that junk. Whoa! Whoa!
I think we've all done a very good day's work.
Nearly all of us.
Hey, hey,